Maintenance. Clean the unit with a dry and soft cloth. Do not use solvents including benzene, thinner, alcohol, kitchen detergent, a chemical wiper, etc. This might cause the exterior case to be determined or the exterior case to be deformed or the coating is come off. Keeping the battery performance. During the long period of disuse, full charge this unit once every 6 months to keep the battery performance. Troubleshooting front page. Then see the diagram 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. To remove the battery when disposing of this, the following instructions are not intended for repairing purposes but for the disposal of this unit. This unit is not restorable once deassembled. When disposing of this unit, take out the battery installed in this unit and recycle it. Danger. As a rechargeable battery is specifically for this product, do not use it for any other device. Do not charge the removed battery. Do not heat or expose to flame. Do not leave the batteries in a car exposed to direct sunlight for a long period of time with doors and windows closed. Do not pierce the battery with a nail, subject it to an impact or dismantle or modify it. Do not let the wires touch any other metal or each other. Do not carry or store the battery with a necklace, hairpin or the like. Doing so may cause the battery to generate heat, ignite or rupture. Warning: do not place the removed battery and other items within reach of infants. Accidental swallowing of such an item may have an adverse effect on the body. In the event that you think such an item has been swallowed, consult a doctor immediately. In the event of fluid leaking from the battery, take the following measure and do not touch the fluid with bare hands. Fluid entering into an eye may cause loss of eyesight. Wash the eye with water immediately without rubbing it and then consult a doctor. Fluid getting on your body or clothes may cause inflammation of the skin or injury. Sufficiently rinse with clean water and then consult a doctor. A lithium-ion polymer rechargeable battery is built into the battery case. Please discard according to local regulations. When disposing this product, disassemble properly by following the procedure and remove the internal rechargeable battery. Deassemble after the battery runs out. When disposing of the battery, please contact your local authorities or dealer and ask for the correct method of disposal. Put a straight slot, screwdriver or commercially available into the battery case. Make sure to keep fingers away from the tip of the screwdriver. Use a screwdriver that fits into the slit on the battery case. If it is too small, the battery case will not open properly. Use the screwdriver for leverage and push the upper cover upward. Be careful not to touch the battery with the screwdriver. Hold the battery and remove it. Pull off the battery and separate it from the battery case by cutting off the wires one by one with scissors. Insulate the wire parts of the removed battery with cellophane tape. Insulate the wire parts of the removed battery with cellophane tape. Do not damage or dismantle the battery.